The best way to get started with the CommBox Classic Interactive touchscreen is by trying our self-contained and portable plug-and-play demo kit. You'll be able to explore all of the Classic's interactive features and see how easy it can be for your organisation to improve collaboration, communication and learning. What are you waiting for? The demo case is ready to go in just a few simple steps. Start by scanning the QR code on the side, and your personalised instructions will have you collaborating on the whiteboard in minutes. With a CommBox Classic 65-inch interactive screen, a Microsoft Windows OBS and Focus AI camera, the demo case has everything you need for the collaborative and interactive office. Dynamic and immersive video conferencing with a Focus AI camera for hybrid work using Teams or Zoom. Seamless native wireless screen sharing from personal devices. Brainstorm with the CommBox whiteboard. Collaborate with Microsoft Office applications, including OneNote and PowerPoint. Load, edit, save and share documents with ease. Access the CommBox store and download apps directly to your screen. Access training and help directly from the CommBox screen. Book a CommBox demo case today. We want you to have the best experience with CommBox, so each case comes with a virtual demo and training session. Do it better with CommBox.